For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an egg farm business can be a rewarding venture, providing a steady source of income and contributing to the local food supply. With advances in artificial intelligence, AI, many of the traditionally challenging aspects of starting and managing an egg farm can now be simplified or enhanced through free AI tools. This guide will take you through a clear, step-by-step process to launch your egg farm business successfully, utilizing free AI resources along the way to optimize planning, marketing, and operations. Step 1. Research and understand the egg farming industry. Before diving into the business, it is essential to thoroughly understand the egg farming industry, including the types of egg production systems, cage-free, free-range, organic, local regulations, market demand, and competition. Use ChatGPT or similar free AI chatbots to ask detailed questions about the egg farming sector, such as, what are the key factors to consider when starting an egg farm? Or what are the pros and cons of different egg production systems? This will provide you with an overview and help you decide the scale and approach of your farm. Step 2. Create a comprehensive business plan. A strong business plan is the foundation of any successful business. Use ChatGPT to draft a detailed business plan tailored to your egg farm. You can prompt it with, help me create a business plan for a small to medium-sized egg farm focused on local sales. This will help generate sections such as market analysis, operational plan, financial projections, and marketing strategies. You can then customize the draft based on your local context and resources. Step 3. Perform market research using AI tools. Knowing your target market and customer preferences is crucial. You can use free AI-powered survey tools such as Google Forms with AI-assisted data analysis or platforms like SurveyMonkey that offer free tiers. Additionally, use ChatGPT to help craft survey questions by prompting. Generate questions for a customer survey to understand egg buying preferences in my area. Collect the data and analyze it with the help of AI data summarizers or spreadsheet tools like Google Sheets, which now include AI features to detect trends and insights. Step 4. Find suitable land and setup requirements. Deciding on the location and the size of your farm is vital. Use AI tools like Google Earth and Google Maps, combined with ChatGPT's assistance, to evaluate potential sites. You can prompt ChatGPT with, what factors should I consider when selecting land for an egg farm? For setup specifics, ask ChatGPT for help designing the layout and infrastructure needed, such as hen houses, feed storage, and water systems, by prompting. Design a farm layout for a 500 hen egg farm with efficient space use. Step 5. Learn about chicken breeds and procurement. Selecting the right breed of hens for your egg production goals is key. Use ChatGPT to learn about different breeds by prompting. Compare common chicken breeds for egg production in terms of egg size, frequency, and feed efficiency. You can also request sourcing strategies. Where can I find reputable suppliers of laying hens for a startup egg farm? This will guide you to reliable sources or hatcheries. Step 6. Understand feed and nutrition requirements. Proper nutrition ensures high egg production and healthy hens. Use AI chat tools to generate feeding plans and understand nutritional needs by asking, what is the best feeding schedule and diet for laying hens? For more technical help, use AI calculators or spreadsheet templates available for free online that let you input variables and optimize feed ratios. Step 7. Develop a financial plan and budget. Calculate startup costs, operating expenses, and projected revenues with the help of AI financial planning tools. You can prompt ChatGPT for a financial forecast template by asking, create a financial forecast for a small egg farm, including startup and monthly operational costs. Complement this by using free spreadsheet software like Google Sheets enhanced with AI functions to automate calculations and visualize data. Step 8. Register your business and understand regulations. Use AI-powered legal chatbots or websites like LegalZoom's free resources to understand the registration process and necessary licenses for an egg farm. Ask ChatGPT, what are the common permits and licenses required to start an egg farm in your location? This will help you create a checklist for compliance with local health, safety, and agricultural regulations. Step 9. Develop a marketing plan using AI. Promoting your egg farm is critical to attract buyers. Use ChatGPT to draft a marketing plan by prompting. Create a marketing strategy for a local egg farm targeting grocery stores, restaurants, and consumers. Leverage free AI design tools like Canva for creating flyers, social media posts, and branding materials. Use ChatGPT to generate catchy slogans or product descriptions with prompts such as, write 5 catchy slogans for fresh farm eggs. Additionally, explore free AI social media management tools like Buffer or Later to schedule posts and track engagement. Step 10. Implement farm management and monitoring systems. Once operational, managing daily activities efficiently is crucial. Use free AI task management apps like Trello or Notion with AI integrations to organize schedules, feedings, and maintenance. For monitoring hen health and egg production, you can use AI-powered apps or set up simple spreadsheets enhanced with AI formulas to track productivity trends and detect anomalies. Step 11. Optimize and scale your business. As your farm grows, continue using AI tools to analyze sales data, customer feedback, and production efficiency. ChatGPT can assist in creating expansion plans with prompts like, how can I scale my egg farm from 500 to 1,000 hens efficiently? Regularly update your marketing and financial plans using AI to adapt to changing market conditions. Starting an egg farm business using free AI tools provides you with a powerful combination of traditional agricultural knowledge and modern technology. These tools help reduce guesswork, increase efficiency, and improve decision-making across all stages of the business. From research and planning to marketing and daily management, AI offers valuable support tailored to your specific needs. By following this step-by-step guide and leveraging free AI resources, you position yourself for a successful entry into the egg farming industry. Keep learning, stay adaptable, and continuously use AI assistance to optimize your operations and meet customer demands. Your egg farm business has the potential not only to be profitable, but also to contribute to sustainable local food production. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.